We're making cabbage burgers, which are rolls with hamburger and cabbage inside. It's a basic bread recipe. This is my mom's recipe, and we usually would double or triple it because they go so fast. Dissolve 1 package of yeast in 1 cup of water with 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, and after that's well dissolved, then add 1 beaten egg to it. Then add 3 tablespoons melted butter to that yeast mixture and half of the flour, which would be 2. And that's where we are now. It's a stretchy dough texture, and we're adding the rest of the flour to this. This is covered now for half an hour. Brown the hamburger. Add some chopped onions. Chop up a head of cabbage. After the onions are soft, you can add the cabbage. Now we'll add a little salt and pepper. With the softened onions and the seasoned hamburger, we'll put in the chopped cabbage until it gets soft too. This dough has doubled in size now after half an hour. This is a triple batch, but we still make the same size dough balls. We're gonna have about this much dough, press it into a circle, and that's where the filling goes. Take a spoonful of filling and wrap it around. Make sure not to get the grease on the dough. If you stick the dough to the dough, it'll stick together fine, and then turn it over. These go on a greased pan so they won't stick when we bake them. After these dough balls are filled and put on the tray, we let them rest and rise for 15 to 30 minutes before baking. These have risen for about 30 minutes. We'll brush the top with egg yolk. Let those cook for 25 minutes at 350 degrees. Here they are, cabbage burgers. Give it a taste. So good.